In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install HP Universal Print Driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you've opened it, directly proceed to the search bar and type for HP Universal Print Driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'd be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one, which is under support.hp.com. Click on this link, and in that way you'd be navigated to this new page where you can see your HP Universal Print Driver. So kindly wait until it would be set for you first before we continue. So here it will automatically detect the operating system. However, if not in your case, go with choose a different OS. Click on this down arrow key and please choose for Windows 11 and click on update to set it. Once set, you need to scroll down. Okay, and there you can see driver universal print driver. Click on it, and here it will show you two versions. Please proceed to the first one, which is HP Universal Print Driver for Windows PCL6, and click on this download button aligning to it. Once you click on it, you can now start the downloading process, okay, directly. So please wait until the downloading process would be finished. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once done, proceed to the top right corner. You can see their download icon, click on it, and eventually you'll be able to see the zip file which contains the printer driver. So click on this folder icon, and then that way you'd be navigated here to the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Now the next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click while selecting it, and you need to click on this cut icon. Why? Because we need to move that to the desktop. So please close off all of the windows being opened, make a right click here and click on paste. Now once you have pasted this zip file, you need to unzip it. So make a right click and go with extract all, or either use the WinRAR tool to extract this zip file. So go with WinRAR and go with extract to, and kindly wait until you'll get to see any file folder that would be created here at the desktop. Once it's here, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together in your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here at the settings, please proceed directly to the Bluetooth and devices. Click on this one. Once you click on it, please proceed with the printers and scanners. Click on it, and there you can see add device. Click on it and wait until you'll get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually and kindly wait until a new window would appear where you can find a printer by other options. So please select for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port. So it could be one, two, or three. However, if you have an HP port, you can use that as well. So click on next here and then go with have a disk and click on the so we need to proceed to the desktop since we can find our extracted file here since we have saved it here. So go with the extracted file, double tapped, and then eventually you can see a list of drivers. Select any of that. Anyway, they function similarly or the same. So click on OK here and please proceed with HP Universal Printing PCL6 version 7.7.0, and then you can now rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into HP Universal Print Driver. Then click on the next button here and you can now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on the next button here and go with finished, and there you have it. You have just successfully installed the HP Universal Print Driver in your Windows 11. Now if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.